This is my iPhone, and yeah, it's running iOS 26. I do believe that's beta 3 or something. And yes, this is liquid glass with the glass icons. This thing here is my S25 Ultra running 1EA beta BYG3. It's an internal update, it's not stable. And this is one glass 7 icon pack, guys. Yeah, this thing costs almost like euro and a half. Okay, $2. So I'm gonna buy this and install it and see how close can I get with one glass 7 icon pack to this thing here that is the iOS 26 beta glass icons. All right, let's put those phones on my review table and let's check it. So here we are at my review table, guys. I've opened Play Store, I've searched on glass icon pack. There are actually plenty of options. Now this thing here is like almost $2, 10K downloads, all right, and one UI, 7 glass icons, alternative icons, custom folders, 4,000 plus icons, 32 wallpapers. Okay, this isn't bad. This thing here is like only like $1, €1, something like that. Let's check inside. It has more icons and 5 custom widgets and cloud-based wallpaper, so maybe that's even a better alternative. Yeah, this looks probably even a better candidate. And then we have the Glasspack Pro clear icons. Okay, this is a bit more expensive. It's like €2 and a half. 3,800 icons. Oh, I'm just thinking, guys, I'm gonna go cheap and probably just buy this thing here because it has the most icons. ProtoSync. Yep, almost. Okay, payment successful. Yes, always. So, all right. Now I'm going to install this glass icons, and the whole idea is how close can we get to here. Now, I did several videos on the iOS 26 beta, guys, and I said in my videos that Apple deserves a lot of respect for just theming everything. It's just not only the icons, it's every icon and also the widgets, right? Which is still, yeah, a bit tricky in Android. So I'm gonna open here. I'm gonna open Good Luck. From here, by the way, I'm running One UI 8 BYG3. This is the latest one, internal, by the way. I'm gonna open Theme Park, and I'm going to create a new theme with these new glass icons. So I'm gonna click here on the icons, and I'm going to create a new pack. I'm gonna choose icon pack and select nothingness from here. Now, hopefully my theme park is gonna load all these nice icons. Some icons are not glass. All right, okay. So let me just try to save it. Okay, and I'm gonna save this layout. I'm gonna try to apply it over what I have right now. See how that thing is gonna work? And I'm gonna click here and apply everything. Change setting, guys. Are you ready? Jesus. Okay, actually not that bad, by the way. All right, social icons are here. Of course, the widgets. Media Live, Mixcloud, you know, I kind of like this icon pack because even the icons that apparently don't exist with these 4,000 plus icons apps like Mixcloud is a famous app, should kind of get themed. They still get this like glass overhaul, OLX, and then some of the Bulgarian apps. The Google apps are all themed, by the way. This ain't bad. Gallery is all themed. All right, here almost everything is themed. Yeah. Liquid glass icons. All right, no liquid glass, but only glass icons here. And now, all right, let's see what we have here. Samsung, all my icons are themed. That's great, by the way. Yeah, okay, all right. Not that bad, guys. Let me know what you think down below, and maybe now it's time to try another pack. And now it's time to try the one glass 7 icon pack. So, need to buy it again, all right. Let me buy that one. This one is 40 megabytes. All right, I'm gonna open it. And yeah, this looks nice, by the way. It does also offer some cool wallpapers with blur. Jesus, that's good. Let's just try to add this one here. Save, apply. Let's do both, by the way. Yeah, some blurry wallpapers. And I'm gonna go back to my theme park. And I'm gonna now use this, all right. Okay, yeah, the same thing happens here, guys. VXT3. All right, let's try to just save it, apply it, change the setting. Are you ready? Boom. Okay, yeah. This one, guys, this one is a bit better. The icons are bigger. If I go to socials, all my social icons are themed. If I go here again, some of the icons like Eon, Mixcloud, Human are not themed. What about business apps? Yeah, I think, not bad. All my Google apps are themed. What about the Samsung icons? All my Samsung icons are actually themed. And yeah, what about good luck? Even here, you see some of the good luck things are themed as well. Microsoft, everything seems to be themed. Now let's enter here. Microsoft, we checked that one. Samsung, we checked it. Okay, I have a lot of apps, and you can see, by the way, a lot of these icons really are themed, and this looks kind of authentic. I like the dialer as well, also Chrome. All right, this app isn't bad. Let me just open it again. Where was it? Like One Glass. Do we have any options from here if we go on the main menu? All right, we have IPR icons in one. Okay, those are some other apps. Those are here all the icons. Okay, and I think they kind of update the icons from time to time. This is good. And now it's time to try the most expensive one. This one is almost like €2 and a half. Glass Pack Pro clear icons. Need to pay it again. By the way, guys, the good thing is you can try those things out, and if you don't like them, you can always go and refund them in case you don't want to use them forever, which is also something I'm doing, by the way. So I'm now installing it. This one is 54 megabytes. Oh yeah, more apps. Okay guys, where are the icons? Those are the icons. Damn, those ones are not only like glass, but they also are with a 3D effect, which is something I dig. Gonna open theme park again. Gonna create a new setting for the glass pack. This is probably even closer to what we have now in iOS, because in iOS not only do we have the glass effect, but 3D as well. So VXT4, I'm gonna apply this one. And are you ready, guys? What? What the heck? Okay. Apparently the icons aren't bad, but when they're in a folder they look weird. Oh my god, this is good, guys. This is really good. 3D icons with glass effect. Alright. Oh, Mixcloud exists. Okay, now downside, if they don't have an icon, it's just an empty thing, which is not good, because I have a lot of my apps just missing icon, so they're not applying a theming over the icons. Maybe it's a setting from the app. Let's check the Google. By the way, this thing really comes close to a lot of the icons that I have here, even a bit more dramatic 3D effect, but I kind of like it. It's 3D, it's glass, it's really like skeuomorphism in the old-fashioned way before Johnny Ive decided to kill it. I like the dialer, I like the message icon here, and yeah, you can see this is cool, by the way. This is really cool. Let's check Samsung. All right, some of the icons are missing. All right, what else here? Okay, yeah, a lot of the apps are actually themed, guys. This ain't looking bad, guys. Let me know what you think down below. Which one was the best according to you? And yeah, just put your honest opinion in the comments below. And you can always go and check the videos I did about all the One UI 8 internal stable and beta and internal test updates. Stay safe.